In this video, I will show you how you can set up secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Now to set up Secure Folder, just tap on Secure Folder over here and select More. Then tap on Continue, tap on More, and tap on Continue. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to create the secure folder. Now from here, just select the security method for your secure folder. You can select a PIN, a password, or a pattern. You can even select a biometric like the fingerprint. But for now, I will select the PIN. I just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. After you create the PIN, then tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm the PIN. Then select OK and select Allow. After that, just tap on Next. On this page, just select what happens when the secure folder is closed. Now you can either select Close all apps while locked, or you can select Allow background activity while locked. Now if you select this option, all the apps which you have used will be closed as you leave the secure folder. But if you select background activity, the app will still run in the background after you leave the secure folder. Now I'll select Close all apps while locked, then tap on Done, and as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.